Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yes, this is the 4-hour chart. I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. And NZD USD is one of those currency pairs that have shown huge recovery after the huge sell-off in the previous week. And you can just look at the bullishness of the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yes, previous week market saw huge sell-off when dollar got strong. That's a different chapter. But in this week, there is no doubt that market was completely dominated by the buyers. And as we all know, after the huge sell-off in the previous week, in almost all the currency pairs, the support levels are gone, resistance levels are gone. As of now, market is trying to build up new position. Market is trying to build new support levels and new resistance levels. Okay. So therefore, if you look at a chart, then you will not find any prominent support level or any prominent resistance level. So you can see that right now I have got few lines drawn on the chart here. Okay, so first and foremost, let me do the step by step. Let me go step by step so that you can understand clearly and in a better way. Okay, so first and foremost, I would like to focus on this level, 0.6942. So this level is the most important level in this chart right now, and this is the most important support level in the NZD USD chart, because you can clearly see that when the market saw huge sell off previous week, this was the level that provided the support to the market. This is the level from where market bounced this week. Let me zoom out the chart and you can clearly see how important this level is, and therefore this level is extremely important, and you should also mark this level in your charting software. So in case in the coming days, if you find NZD USD taking support at this price level, and if you see price bouncing back or price reversing from this price level, then it's a sure shot buy. It's a sure shot buy call, because NZD USD chart, this is the most important level, and clearly you can see that how this price level hold the huge sell-off where market was coming down previous week. Therefore, this is the most important level. Clear? Okay. Now we can see that after the huge sell-off, market remained very bullish. Whereas currency pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, okay, they tried to recover, they were recovering, but the bullish power was not there. The buying strength was missing, and most of the currency pairs remain sideways or remain flat. But NZD USD saw heavy buying pressure, and you can clearly see that market was in strong uptrend. Okay. The other currency pairs were trying to recover, but in NZD USD we got a V pattern, and as we all know, V pattern suggests that there was a trend reversal, or there is a trend reversal in the market. There was sell-off, that was a different chapter, but yes, we saw a trend reversal in NZD USD chart right now, and therefore there is no doubt that market was extremely bullish, and there is no doubt that market is under the influence or the dominance of the buyers right now. And on the other hand, you can see that there is also a trend line here. Okay, I've already mentioned that there is no proper support or resistance level, but this trend line is acting as a dynamic support for the market, because you can see this level is providing resistance or not allowing the market to go up whenever market was trying to go up. So this level is the dynamic resistance for the market, dynamic resistance. Therefore, what should be a strategy for Monday? For Monday, let the market open and just see how the price reacts. Okay. So looking at the present structure of the market, if we look at the present setup of the market, then there is a good possibility that market will cross this level, this resistance level. And in case market crosses this level, then it's a buy call. But there is a condition also, because see, this is right now market is in right now market is bullish, market is getting some good buy calls. But look at the position of stochastic RSI. You can see that stochastic RSI is coming down from the overbought zone. Therefore, if you're looking for a safe entry into the market, then wait for some time. Let the market open on Monday and just try to observe the price. Try to observe the market and just see. If you find stochastic RSI in the oversold zone, because see, it is an oscillating indicator, it will be coming down to the oversold zone. So when stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone like this, and it will be going up again, it will be ready to go up again, just look at the position of the price. If you find price taking support or above this level, this trend line, you can go for a buy order. Then you'll get a clear-cut confirmation that yes, market is extremely bullish, market is under the dominance of the buyers, and you can go for buy order. As I always say, you should always look for the area of value, and confirmation is always important. And as we all know, almost all the levels are shattered in almost all the currency pairs. Therefore, we need to look for dynamic support and resistances only. And in this case, this trend line is acting as a dynamic support for the market. Therefore, you need to find the best price here only. And for that, wait for the stochastic RSI to go up from the oversold zone. If you find price taking support in the trend line, then you can go for a buy order. And hopefully by the time market will be crossing this black line, this trend line from above. On the other hand, if market fails to cross this line, and if market starts coming down, okay, if market starts coming down, then do not short the market right away, because this whole week market has been under the influence of the buyers. So there is a possibility that you may get trapped. In case you see some good volume, in case you see market crossing this line with heavy volume, then only short the market. Otherwise, only wait for the buying opportunity in this chart right now. Though market is having resistance here, but looking at the present condition of the market, there is a possibility that market will break. In case market fails and crosses this level, then also do not short the market if market does not have the support of volume. As I always say, if price is the king, volume is the queen. So be very careful. And I would like to show you one more thing here. See, this is the chart. This is the Forex sentiment meter. You will find this Forex sentiment meter in my website. Just go to my website avilashacharika.com, and you will find the Forex sentiment meter under this Forex 101 tab. You just click on it, scroll down, you will find this Forex sentiment meter. Okay. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 66% traders have taken short position, okay, and only 33% traders have taken long position. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. Retail traders lose money because they do not follow the trend of the market. When market was extremely bullish, when market was witnessing trend reversal, retail traders were taking short position. So you should not you should not follow the herd. Trade wisely, trade with proper analysis. Therefore, do not chase the market. Always wait for the right opportunity, wait for the market to come to you. And in that case, as I've already explained, wait for the market opening on Monday. Okay, and stochastic RSI should be in the oversold zone. Then look at the position of the price. If you find price taking support at this trend line, okay, then you can go for a buy order, and hopefully by that time market will be crossing this resistance level also. In case market fails to cross this level and market starts coming down, do not short the market right away, because market has been bullish for this whole week. Therefore, wait for some time and wait for the volume. If you see that price is coming down with volume, then only short the market. Otherwise, avoid NZDUSD. Do not short the market. Do not short the market if you do not feel that um, if you do not feel that price is getting the support of these sellers. Okay, so um, wait for the perfect opportunity only. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday. Bye bye.